How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about going ahead and changing your Facebook profile to your digital creator in the easiest way. So to change your Facebook profile to a digital creator, what you're going to do is you're going to basically go into your settings, okay? So either you could do that. Now, I already have an account, which is already a, you could say professional account, but to turn your Facebook personal account to a digital creator, you're going to have to convert it into a professional account. So all you're going to do is you're going to go into your profile, and on the left-hand side, it might give you professional over here, but in the case that it doesn't, you can go into your settings and privacy, go into settings over here. And once you come over into settings, it should give you a branded option down here to convert to a proper, you could say, professional account. In the case that it doesn't, you could even go into your Meta Business Suite or any other account that you could want to become professional in. So yeah, basically that is how you are going to become a digital creator, by just converting your account to a professional account. That's about it though. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.